and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. So today it's not a recipe, but today I thought I'll just share some few tips with you about the summer season, things that I follow during the summer months, a few tips related to cooking, a few tips just related to general summer times. So first of all, hydrate yourself a lot, drink a lot of water like you can see I'm doing here. And if you're bored with normal water, just add a little bit of ice cubes. You can even put some lemon water, freeze some lemon water into cubes and then put that into room temperature water and have that. You can also hydrate yourself with drinking some lovely coconut water. If you don't want to have sugar, then you can have coconut water, which is naturally sweet. Or you can have even fruit juices, or have a whole fruit as such, like watermelon or muskmelon, something which is the summer fruits. Of course mango, but since we are still in the month of March, so mangoes are still not very much into season. But when the mangoes come, of course, indulge in them because they're seasonal and they're really delicious and you should eat them. Now another thing I like to do during the summer months is wear very light cotton clothes. Don't wear heavy thick clothing because it's really hot and you need your skin also to be to be nice and to get all the possible coolness. So wear light clothes, wear light colors, don't wear dark colors in the summer heat, especially if you're going out, but wear some pastel shades, wear whites, wear clothes which are nice and typically the summer type of clothes, the linens and the lovely cottons that we have, so try to wear that. So if you've been regularly watching Akshata's recipes, you know that I've been putting up a lot of summer recipes. So have a lot of light salads, have light coconut based curries, have soups. Don't have those loaded rich curries that we have during the winter months, which have got a lot of oil and ghee. Keep everything very light. Stick to light salads. You can have lean meats like chicken breast, just a little roasted with a little bit of spices. Then also you can have fresh vegetables which are available. Lots of leafy vegetables. Recently I put up a radish recipe. Have stuff like that which has very little oil in it, and it's just so fresh and light to eat, and you can really enjoy that in the summer months. Also try to stick to smaller portions of food and have more of fruits and salads and water and coconut water rather than eating heavy meals. That will make you feel very nice and light in the summertime. On to another topic, which is if you take a little bit more care of food during the summertime. So if you cook something, don't keep it out in the heat like we do during the winter. If you keep something like even rice, normal cooked rice, if you keep it overnight, nothing really happens because the temperatures drop. But during the summer, immediately when you finish cooking and the food has come down to room temperature, refrigerate it, especially non-veg food or rice preparations. Refrigerate them, and then when you want to eat them again, just heat them up on the gas stove or in your microwave, because food does tend to get spoiled when you keep it out. So take care of that. You need to refrigerate everything if you want to preserve it for a longer time. This is the best time to take care of your skin also in the summer. So always wear sunscreen, according to your skin type and everything, checking all that. Wear a proper sunscreen with the right SPF, and also wear a cap or a hat or carry a parasol or an umbrella. Protect yourself from the sun, especially if you're going out in the heat during the daytime. Otherwise, if you don't really have to go out in the mornings or in the afternoons when the sun is really high and you can postpone it to the evening, then try to go out in the evenings when it's cooler. Even your exercise time, either do it early in the morning if you're going for a walk or a jog, or do it once in the evening like around 5:30 when the sun is like really mild. So you got to take care of your skin and your self because of the heat. You don't need to get a heat stroke. Don't roam around in the sun, and like I said, wear light color clothes, light cotton, pastel shades of whites when you're going out in the sun. Things I thought I'd just share with you as to what I do during the summer. It just came up in my mind, so let me just share these thoughts with you. And that's about it, guys. And if you all have any good ideas or comments about the summer, what you all do especially during the summer, then share them with me in the comment section below. I'll catch you soon in another video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.